Fat Guy Pies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're now going to take the Eflite Trojan 1.1 meter up on a 4-cell. Do the 4-cell Maiden now. And have some fun with her. Just flew her on 3-cell and the performance was wonderful. So I'm thinking if it's that good on a 3-cell, man, just imagine how much fun it's going to be on 4. So let's get her up and have some fun with her. All right. Now that we're on the runway,
motor off.
Motor on. Always makes it easier to have the motor on. Maybe it's just me. All right. Well, I can already tell she's a little bit peppier. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. Boy, that yellow. I know I'm flying awful far away there, but that yellow really shows up. Great for orientation. Going wrong at quarter throttle now. Boy, she will slow right down. All right. Oh man, this plane is going to be a blast to fly.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
There, that's full speed into the wind. Oh boy, what a fun plane to fly. It's awfully windy here though, folks, I'll tell you that. So I'm having to deal with some cross breeze here. Oh boy, now that wind. And she's floaty enough as it is.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I don't know, I may not be able to get her to land. Of course, there again, takeoff is optional. Landing is mandatory. Enough power to get up out of the problem. Yeah, 4-cell's the way to go. I'm going to walk down here. Try to give myself a little bit better of an approach. Whoa! Yeah. Yeah, that wind is not being my friend. This light little plane. Whoa! Take a bow with style. Now folks, I have to walk over and get it now. But hey, that's what happens when you got high gear and you hit grass and you got too much momentum. Well, that's just gonna happen. So we'll take our little walk of shame here. You having fun? Oh, you're having fun. All right. Oh, I'm in the sand. Big old thing of fire ants. Let's not get them upset. Okay. Get her back down here. Shake off the cobwebs. And off we go. Get off the runway. Boy, what a good looking bird. I know you're thinking, well, I can't even see it now. It's just a yellow speck. All right. Not get up in that sand, those fire ants again. Which way is that wind going now? Oh, well, no wonder. The wind's coming out this way now. It keeps changing on me. Probably have a much better landing. I come back from this direction now. Yeah, Trojans and power lines are not good fellows, are not good bedfellows. Touch and go. Be nice if that was on purpose. But that was not on purpose. I wish I could have claimed that on purpose, but I can't. Yeah. All right, well, there you go, folks. That is the Eflite 1.1 meter Trojan, yellow edition. Great little plane, great flyer. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. And what you want to hear before you touch a plane?
Motor off.
Motor off. Okay. There we go. Now, let me show you what happens on a black Geotech runway when you hit your wingtips. See that black on there and black on there? Well, that's what paint and time. A little bit of paint take care of that. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Oh, excuse me, burping. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.